Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the construction of Holborn Offices. This is a 8-story building that's being built in New Kingston, Jamaica. It's actually being built at the corner of Holborn Road and Dumfries Avenue. We are on Holborn Road now, and that's Dumfries Avenue at the intersection. So this building is going to be 8 stories tall, and it's a commercial space. It's the first floors, they're going to rent the office space, and then the top 4 floors, the space is for sale. And as you know, New Kingston is the business hub of Jamaica. So this building is ideally located in the heart of the business district. Now there is a lot of construction going on in Jamaica, even in New Kingston. And a lot of, well, like New Kingston will be more commercial buildings, but there are a lot of luxury residential apartments going up. And the norm now seems to be these high-rise buildings. There is one Belmont going up in also in New Kingston on Belmont Road, and there's another one going on in New Kingston. So the construction industry in Jamaica seems to be doing very well. Okay, that's Dumfries Avenue. We're looking at where that car is. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on these projects. This one, I'm not sure how many floors they're on, but they seem to be still going up. So this project should have a little way to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 7. That looks like 7 floors that they've completed already. So they probably have one more floor to do. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.